Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Minecraft for free on Android. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Once you are in, tap on the search bar and type in Minecraft. You will see several results appear, including the official Minecraft game. The full version of Minecraft usually costs around €8, but you can also try it for free using the trial version. To access this, search for Minecraft Trial in the Play Store. This free version allows you to experience Minecraft without paying, but it is limited to a trial period. Once you locate Minecraft Trial, tap on the Install button to start downloading. After the installation is complete, tap the Play button to open the game. So that's basically how you can get Minecraft for free on Android. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.